Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Ella, and I am a Salesforce consultant here at Solved.cloud, where we help companies automate their businesses through the use of AI and Salesforce, which is why I am so excited to be diving more into another super useful AI tool that you can start using today. So let's dive right into it. Imagine having your own AI assistant that knows exactly what you need. No more generic responses, no wasted time. Today, I'm going to show you how to create and use custom GPTs, aka projects, that tailor AI to your unique style and workflow. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about AI, this is a game changer you don't want to miss. So what exactly are custom GPTs? Imagine the base AI model is like a blank canvas. Custom GPTs let you paint on that canvas with your own colors by giving it instructions, examples, and rules. That means you can create an AI that's tailor-made to help with your specific projects or daily tasks. For example, you could build one that helps you draft emails in your tone, or one that brainstorms blog post ideas, or even one that acts as a tutor for a subject you're learning. The possibilities are huge. Now, you might be wondering, why not just use the default AI? Well, while the general AI is great for broad tasks, it doesn't always nail your unique style. Custom GPTs let you save tons of time by automating tasks you do over and over, get answers that feel personalized and accurate, stay consistent in tone and style, whether it's for writing, coding, or customer support. Alrighty, let's jump in now how to create our own custom GPTs and projects. For my purposes today, and in this demo, I'm going to be creating an email marketing assistant. This GPT will be able to create compelling email copies and just match my tone so I don't have to recreate the same email over and over again. So what I'm going to do is go over to New Project, and I'm going to type in Email Marketing Assistant, just so that we can be super clear about what it is and I can be able to find it in the future. Alrighty, now that I have that, I'm going to click Create Project. And there you go, there's our project where you can add files and instructions. We're going to click on the Add Instructions section, where I'm going to type in exactly what I want my custom GPT to do. I already created kind of a prompt for my GPT, so I'm just going to paste that in now. And basically it says, you're an expert email marketing assistant specializing in crafting clear, concise, and persuasive email copies. Your goal is to help users write effective marketing emails, sales follow-ups, newsletters, and promotional content. Focus on engaging subject lines, clear calls to actions, and a professional yet friendly tone. So that's basically my prompt. I could definitely refine it more, but we're just going to stick with that for now, and we'll do some testing with it. All right, now that we have that, I'm also going to add in some examples. I'll copy and paste those in. Basically, I like to add examples so that the custom GPT knows my tone for these emails, so they can replicate exactly how I want it to replicate. So I just wrote those in. I'm not going to read through those, but basically, it's my style of writing for emails. So now chat will be able to replicate that, so I don't have to constantly create new emails. Now I'm going to click Save. Perfect. Again, you can add files if you want to. Obviously, you can refine your instructions, but we're just going to now test out our new project, our new custom GPT, because you got to make sure it's good for testing, right? All right, so now I am going to type in real quick, just testing out our custom GPT. So I'm going to say, draft a warm welcome email for a new subscriber to our weekly newsletter about sustainable living. Okay. Now that I'm going to click enter, and then we have our custom GPT output exactly what we want it to. Maybe in the future, though, let's say I don't like emojis, I can go back to my instructions and specify that, or I can look through this email and be like, okay, this is something I want to change, and continually refine my custom GPT. So yeah, there you have it. Now that you know how to make custom GPTs and projects, here are some tips to get the most out of your custom GPTs. First of all, be super clear in your instructions. The AI can only follow what you tell it. Next, use examples liberally. Show it the exact kind of answers you want. Next, test and tweak often. Keep refining your instructions based on what the AI produces. And then use it for tasks you repeat a lot, like writing emails, generating ideas, or even coding help. And finally, keep updating it. As your needs change, refresh your examples and instructions to keep it sharp. Overall, custom GPTs give you the power to make AI truly work for you. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps and always knows how you want things done. If you start experimenting with projects, you'll be amazed how much time and energy you save. And if you want to take your AI and automation game to the next level, check out Solve.cloud. We specialize in smart automation solutions that help businesses work smarter, faster, and easier with tools like Custom GPTs, NAN, Salesforce, you name it. And if you want me to do a deep dive into advanced tips or share cool use cases, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. We share new AI and tech tips every week, whether it be on Salesforce, Revenue Cloud, AI, no-code AI, you name it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.